delicious garlic bread grilled cheese. You won't believe this was made in the air fryer. To kick things off, we need to make the best bit about the dish, our garlic butter. So get some softened butter and add your minced garlic and some parsley, and then give it a good mix. Now we can assemble the best grilled cheese. Lay out your bread slice and generously spread garlic butter on one side. Top with a generous amount of cheddar cheese. You can add a bit of seasoning to that cheese and then top with another slice of bread, and again generously spread the garlic butter onto one side. Now we're ready to place it in the air fryer. So place it in your air fryer basket and air fry at 190 degrees Celsius for 7 to 9 minutes. Don't forget to flip it halfway. Just look at that golden colour. Crispy, buttery garlic bread with gooey, melty cheese. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.